is 6 in the evening on a Saturday in Palermo. The smell of quebracho wood smoke is hanging over half of Buenos Aires, and every Porteña family is about to spend 3 hours around a single iron grate, eating slowly through 10 different cuts of beef. Tonight, we cook the real Argentine Asado, gaucho tradition fire, exact cuts, exact times, sal gruesa only, and the chimichurri that defines a Pampas table. Joining me are an asado out of the Pampas and a parrilla chef out of Palermo.
Asado comes from the gauchos on the open Pampas in the 1700s. They dug a shallow trench, burned hardwood down to embers, staked the meat on iron crosses around the coals, and ate everything from the cow head to tail. Today, the parrilla grate has replaced the cross, but the principle is exactly the same. Indirect heat, slow, no marinade, no sauce on the meat during cooking. The only seasoning is sal gruesa, coarse rock salt, applied at the start. Patience cooks the beef. 26 pounds of meat for 10 guests is a normal Saturday asado.
The order of the cuts matters. We start light and finish heavy. First the chorizos and morcillas, pork sausages and blood sausages, 20 minutes over moderate coals. Then molejas, sweetbreads, 25 minutes. Then chinchulines, chitterlings, 30 minutes. Then the big plate. Tira de asado, the short rib crosscut 3 centimeters thick, takes 45 minutes over the coals. Vacío, flank, needs 1 full hour. And the king, bife de chorizo, the boneless sirloin cut 3 centimeters thick, gets 5 to 7 minutes per side. All of it served with chimichurri on the side.
The fire is the whole game. Use hardwood, quebracho if you can get it, oak or hickory otherwise, never softwood, never charcoal briquettes. Burn the wood down to red glowing embers for at least 45 minutes before any meat goes on. The coals sit under 1/2 of the parrilla, never directly under the meat. The grate sits 30 to 40 centimeters above the embers. Your hand should tolerate exactly 4 seconds at grate height. That is your target temperature of about 480 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 Celsius. Shovel fresh embers in every 20 minutes.
Salt the meat with 1 heavy tablespoon of sal gruesa per pound just before it goes on the grate. Do not pepper, do not oil, do not flip more than once. The beef de chorizo goes on. You wait 5 minutes. You turn it 90 degrees for cross-hatch grill marks at 2 minutes. Then flip it once, 5 more minutes. Pull at internal 125 degrees Fahrenheit, 52 Celsius for chugoso, the perfect Argentine medium rare. Rest 5 minutes on a warm wooden board. Slice across the grain, 1/2 inch thick. Plate. Serve with chimichurri on the side, never on top.
Chimichurri is older than asado itself, and the recipe is non-negotiable. 1 full cup of fresh flat leaf parsley, finely chopped, never blended. 4 cloves of fresh garlic, minced, never pressed. 1 full tablespoon of dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, never replaced with chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon coarse salt. 1/4 cup red wine vinegar. 1/2 cup of good extra virgin olive oil. Combine in a glass jar in that exact order. Shake. Rest at room temperature.
Salsa criolla is the second side, and every parrilla makes one. Finely dice 1 ripe tomato, 1/2 a red onion, 1/2 a red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley. Dress with 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, fresh black pepper. Rest 20 minutes. It cuts the fat of the cuts that follow 45 minutes on a parrilla, and a basket of crusty pan francés, a French-style baguette, to mop the chimichurri. A bottle of Malbec from Mendoza on the table. That is the full asado. 3 hours, 10 people, 1 fire.
5 common mistakes to avoid. 1. Direct flame on the meat. The flames carbonize the surface. Always cook over embers, never under flame. 2. Marinade. A real asado uses only sal gruesa. Marinades hide the cut. 3. Flipping more than once. Each flip drops the surface temperature 10 degrees. 4. Black pepper burns at high heat and turns acrid. Add at the table. 5. Chimichurri on the meat before it rests. The acid breaks the crust. Spoon chimichurri beside the meat or on top after it has rested and been sliced.
3 takeaways. 1. Fire is everything. Quebracho or oak hardwood burn to red embers for 45 minutes. Grate 30 to 40 centimeters above the coals. Hand test 4 seconds at grate height. 2. Sal gruesa only. 1 heavy tablespoon per pound. No marinade, no pepper, no oil. Bife de chorizo 5 to 7 minutes per side. Pull at 125 Fahrenheit, 52 Celsius. Rest 5 minutes. 3. Chimichurri is 1 cup parsley, 4 garlic, 1 tablespoon oregano, half teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, half cup olive oil. Rest 30 minutes minimum. Thank you, Asador. Thank you, Parrilla Chef.